isi akazi m n'egwu m ọnụ aka gobido ike m isi akazi m ana masị ebe jeli m ozi kugo jeli m ozi ko butali bebido ike m ma ulu m anyị bụ ndị egwu Sunday mara karamo sireneze anyị bụ ndị egwu Sunday mara karamo sireneze di mu pita naraba nova mu di janu ogolugie oba kwala ko ba nova mu di janu ogolugie ọkụ piankuli nova wa mu di janu.
In Igbo land, masquerades are seen as supreme being. When a masquerade is seen in public, they have to be treated with respect because it is believed that they embodies both the spirit and the human world. The mystery surrounding the masquerade is one of the key components of the Igbo culture that survived Western influence. It is generally believed in Igbo land that the masquerade is a spirit which springs from the soil. The masquerades are classified into categories based on specialization. Each masquerade possesses particular attributes like warrior-like prowess, mystical powers, youthfulness and old age, and specializes in one or more skills like dancing, music, acrobatic, and other ritual manifestations. Masquerades may involve one-person team or a team made of instrumentalists, vocalists, dancers, and the masquerade itself. Today on OU Top 10, I will be sharing with you 10 popular Igbo masquerades you should know. Number 10. Agbomo Masquerade. Agbomo Masquerade are maiden spirit masks that represent the spirit of dead Igbo maidens. The masquerade symbolizes the ideals of female beauty among the Igbo people, especially within most communities in Anambra State. The Agbomo Masquerade are great dancers. Although worn by men, it is believed that they are spirits of dead Igbo girls that manifested in the dancer to come back to parade in their communities. Number 9. Ngwu Masquerade. The Ngwu Masquerade is one of the most popular Igbo masquerades named after the Ngwu deity. The masquerades usually do not attend festivals. It only comes out once in a while, especially during the burial of a great man or an initiate in the community, or the celebration of the Ngwu deity. The Ngwu masquerades are great dancers and are usually seen by the graveside of an initiate lamenting before or after the person has been laid to rest. Number 8. The Olaga Masquerade. The Olaga Masquerade is an entertaining masquerade and one of the most popular masquerades of Igbo people. Although not too often seen, the Olaga Masquerade comes out occasionally and usually in groups of 2 or more during funerals of a titled man to pay their last respect, or during any event organized in honor or acknowledgement of someone important in the community. The Olaga masquerades are great dancers and Igbo spoken word poets. Number 7. The Iga Masquerade. The Iga Masquerade, also referred to as Igarega, is one of the most useful Igbo masquerades. The Iga masquerades can appear in any occasion. They are mostly used in controlling crowd. The Iga masquerades usually carry cane, which they use in scaring people away. They are one of the most loved and cherished masquerades because of their agility and ability to run and dance. One of the most fun things about Iga masquerades is racing people with the hope of flogging them when it catches them. Number 6. Mbadike Masquerade. The Mbadike Masquerade, also known as Agaba or Agabidu, Okumma or Dapenyi, is one of the most popular Igbo masquerades and one of the most feared Igbo masquerades. The Mbadike Masquerade is a warrior spirit masquerade that wield axes and cutlasses and represents the spirit of an Igbo warrior. Although these masquerades might be seen as different because of their names, but they are not. They all represent one thing, the spirit of an Igbo warrior, and they all wear the famous Mbadike mask. These masquerades are usually accompanied with strong men who hold them in chains to prevent them from engaging in conflict. Number 5. The Egbe Masquerade. The Egbe Masquerade is one of the most prominent Igbo masquerades. This masquerade acts as a law enforcement agent who enforces the law of the land, especially the law of the Egbe society. The Egbe Masquerade is more prominent among the southern Igbo people, especially those within the Arochukwu area. Number 4. Ajofia Masquerade. Ajofia, which literally means evil forest, is a celebrity Igbo masquerade and one of the most prominent Igbo masquerades. The Ajofia is a highly revered masquerade. It is believed to have originated from the town of Nnewi in Anambra State. There are lots of mysteries surrounding this iconic masquerade. One of the most striking things about Ajofia masquerade is the smoke coming out of its head and the presence of dead and living animals on its body. The Ajofia masquerade is accompanied by tens and hundreds of entourage whenever it appears. Number 3. The Achiku Masquerade. The Achiku Masquerade is one of the most popular Igbo masquerades in the olden days. The Achiku Masquerade is a night masquerade used as village vigilante or surveillance. In most Igbo communities, Achiku Masquerade only appears during the moonlight dance night known as Egwanwa to keep surveillance and entertain the villagers with songs, jokes, and dances. Although over the years, the Achiku Masquerades have lost its popularity, but the memories they've created in the hearts of many cannot be forgotten. Number 2. The Izaga Masquerade. The Izaga Masquerade is an entertaining masquerade. The masquerade is the tallest Igbo masquerade with the ability to make itself grow taller or shorter. Unlike many other Igbo masquerades, the Izaga masquerade does not appear during burial ceremonies. As an entertaining masquerade, it only comes out during traditional ceremonies or festivals for the sole aim of entertaining the spectators. Number 1. The great and famous Ijele Masquerade. I'm sure this is not the first time some of you are hearing about this iconic masquerade. Ijele is the king of all masquerades in Igbo land. The Ijele is a special and most popular Igbo masquerade and the largest mask system ever to enter the history of the world masking tradition. Ijele has its origin from the northern part of Igbo land in present-day Enugu State and Anambra State. Known as the biggest masquerade in sub-Saharan Africa, the Ijele masquerade derived its name from the Ijele, the soldier ant. The masquerade was listed in UNESCO archive as an intangible cultural element in need of urgent safeguarding. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next episode.